हरि ओम्। ॐ अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु ज्ञानयोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रह। अपानेन जुहन्ति प्राणां प्राणेस्य पानं तदा परे प्राणापानागतिरुद्ध्वा प्राणायामपारायणः। ज्ञानयोगो नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः। नवविंशतिः श्लोकः। In this Bhagavad Gita shloka, 4th chapter, 29th shloka, about pranayama, how the breathe in the regulations of life energy helps. After the successful 50 days, now today I will going to do pranayama, Bastrika pranayama, cleansing to get rid of cold and cough. ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. One posture per day, happiness full day. In this concept, today I will going to do pranayama. Pranasya ayamahi pranayama. In this pranayama, today I will going to do Bastrika, blowing the air. How to cleanse our nostril, cleansing our nostril, the passage. Okay. Before that, what is pranayama? Pranayama is pranasya ayama, mastery over the prana. Shwasa prashwasa gatirujvahi pranayama. Shwasa means inhale, prashwasa means exhale. Gatirujva, cut down the speed of your breathing. How? Bahyabhyantara stambha vrittihi. Inhale and hold and exhale and hold. Bahyabhyantara stambha vrittihi. Desha kala sankhya bhi parivartaha. Depend on the region, place and time. It's also differs. Desha kala sankhya bhi parivartaha. Dirgha and sukshma. Sukshma and dirgha. Deep and settled breathing. We have to practice. Pranayama is breathing technique. How to control our breathing. If you mastery over our breathing, controlling breathing, we can easily control our mind. It is directly related. Okay. Prana is a vital energy. Okay. Prana Shakti, like electricity, is the energy. So, how to practice pranayama? So, before that, pranayama, Bastrika, Kapalabhati, these are the kriyas, cleansing. First, you have to start with the cleansing process, then you go for breathing techniques. Okay. So, breathing, which will helps to calm down your mind and also helps to concentration, memory, and also when you are holding the posture, if you are the mastery over your prana or breathing, you can hold for a long time. Holding, stability. Samatvam yogam uchyate. Prashnopanishad, in Upanishad also it mentioned, Pranasyendya vashe sarvam trivedet pratisthidam matena putran rakshasva shreshcha prajna videhina iti. O prana, protect us how mother will protect her child, for giving her, also give us wealth and wisdom. In Prashnopanishad. In Shiva Samhita, Hridi prane gudi apane samano navistale udhano kantasthala and vyano sharira vyapi. That means prana is in hridaya, apana is downward, samana is in abdominal for digestion, udhana in throat region upward, and vyana throughout the body. Also, according prana is one, pranavayu is one. Depend on the function, it's given different name. Pranavayu ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದರ ಕೆಲಸಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ it given different name. Like prana, apana, udhana, vyana and samana. It's called pancha prana. Also upaprana. Naga, Kurma, Karkara, Devadatta and Dhananjaya. Upapranas. Okay. So, depend on the functions, it is prana also divided. So today I will teach you how to do Bhastrika, blowing prana, blowing air, blowing, how, like this. Okay, blow the air from the nostril, not, don't use the mouth, use nostril only. How to do? Like this. Plop your abdomen and powerful exhalation from the breathing. One breathe, only one breathe. Don't do like this. One breathe, deep breathe in, deep exhale. So while doing this kriya, don't shake your body, don't manipulate your respiratory system, just like this. Okay, so while you're doing this type of Bhastrika, you have so many limitations. See, if you have any surgery, if you have high BP or any cardiovascular problem, heart disease problem, you can't do like this. Okay, you have to do this one. So adapt Nasika Mudra, just breathe, inhale from both the nostril, then exhale. Deep exhalation. Inhale from both the nostril. Like this, you have to practice. And so many methods are there. Today I will teach only two. One for general, one for the limitations people. Okay, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಬ್ಡಾಮಿನಲ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೈ ಶುಗರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೈ ಬಿ ಪಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೇನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಥವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಧಾನ. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ nostril, like this. One of the limitations. And also you can do inhale, raise your hand, just exhale slowly. You have to practice deep inhalation and deep exhalation. And also you can practice exhale, come up like this. Okay, for this all has some limitations. Ellaru madakagalla, but idanna ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. When we have to do it empty stomach. Early morning is best. Where ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಯ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಮ್, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಕಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಯ್ಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕೂತು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಣಸ್ಯ ಆಯಾಮ ಹಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ, ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಓವರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಣ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಯು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹಿಡಿತ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ವರೀಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓವರ್ಕಮ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಶೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. One breathe, one exhalation. Plop your abdomen, do this much. Okay, practice regularly. Thank you. Every 25 to 30 counts, relax and practice up to 3 to 5 minutes. If any confusion, contact above given number.